What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best rear camera on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is WOLFBOX Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera. Upgraded 4K UHD clarity. Experience stunning detail with the front camera's upgrade to 4K UHD 2160p resolution, paired with a 1080p rear camera. The extra-large 12-inch display provides 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror, significantly reducing blind spots for enhanced safety. Larger screen and wider view. The WOLFBOX G840S mirror camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, offering a broader field of view to minimize blind spots during driving and reversing. The smart split-screen function allows simultaneous monitoring of both lenses, while the 2.5D curved screen seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's interior. Superior night vision and image quality. The G840S mirror dash camera is equipped with an upgraded low reflectivity LCD to reduce daytime reflections. With incorporated WDR and HDR technology for balanced lighting, and a professional-grade sensor paired with a 6-glass lens for superior image quality, nighttime driving or challenging lighting conditions are handled with ease. GPS tracking all the time. The included external GPS antenna enables real-time GPS data displayed directly on the dash cam. Easily playback recordings to relive your journey and analyze driving data with precision. 24-hour parking monitor. Beyond on-the-road safety with loop recording, the WOLFBOX camera also features a 24-hour parking monitor. Time-lapse mode records at a low frame rate to conserve power and storage while ensuring continuous surveillance of your vehicle. A hardwire kit is required for parking monitoring. Enhanced stability and additional features. Enjoy reliable performance with the upgraded USB-C power port, which eliminates issues like restarts and overheating. Unlock additional features such as streaming media rearview, adjustable viewing angles, and G-sensor recording for added peace of mind. In our list, the number 4 product name is LeeKooLuu Backup Camera. Plug and play. The backup camera for car takes only 15 minutes from start to finish installation, just 2 steps. First, connect the camera and monitor through the 4-pin video power cable made of 3.0 mm pure copper that comes with the camera. Then plug the backup camera system into the cigarette lighter or USB plug, not included, manual switch, plug and play. Or you can also connect it to the reversing lights only as a reversing use, automatically triggering the reversing image when reversing. Stable signal transmission. The LK3 backup camera for cars is superior in signal stability compared to other backup camera kit. It will automatically minimize energy loss during transmission. Not only will there be no signal delays, interference, fluctuations or intermittent problems, but also realize the transmission of real-time data, providing you with HD 1080p color images at all times, to ensure safer driving. Waterproof and highly weather-resistant. The backup camera for truck housing is made of ABS-TC material and also utilizes the latest nano-coating sealing technology with IP69 level waterproof performance, which is able to work perfectly and provide clear images in extreme environments from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It is like a brave guardian, not eroded by any water or fine particles. tenaciously resisting the baptism of wind/rain/dust/high and low temperatures, enhancing the safety index and service life. Ultra HD picture. The backup camera systems for car adopts advanced optical anti-shaking technology with SC1346 color image sensor chip to avoid the problem of shaky and blurred images when driving on bumpy roads. Clear night vision. Built-in white 6 LEDs, anti-halo chip and 650 filter chip, which will automatically switch to night vision function according to the intensity of the light, providing HD 1080p resolution color images both day and night to ensure you're driving safer. Latest design. The backup camera systems for car housing is made of ABS plus PC metal raw material with 4.3-inch LCD display, easier to use than 7-inch and 5-inch. Image is more focused and clearer. The weight won't look bulky and won't block the driver's view in front. Its suction cup bracket is made of ABS plus TPU material, 360 degrees rotating design, more stable than normal bracket to mount the display on dashboard or windshield, won't melt and fall off even after long time use and sunlight. Multiple functions. The reverse camera for car adjusts the width of the parking grid lines and moves them left/right/up/down to match your needs for safe parking. You can also turn it off if you don't want it. The backup camera with monitor can also adjust brightness, contrast, image flip and other functions. The car backup camera is universal for most vehicles, such as cars/trucks/trailers/RVs/vans/SUVs/campers and so on, effectively avoiding any blind spots on your vehicle. Customer service. The LeeKooLuu brand is dedicated to delivering exceptional support and ensuring customer satisfaction. We stand behind our products with a 30-day return policy, a 2-year quality guarantee, and lifetime technical assistance. Should you have any inquiries or require assistance with our rear view camera, please contact us to get in touch. In our list, the number 3 product name is EWAY Backup Rear/Front View Camera. Strong magnetic mount. EWAY magnetic trailer camera has built-in 4 large powerful magnets, 15 pounds of pull for each, that hold your backup camera much more tightly than common magnets. This powerful magnetic RV camera can create a powerful attraction that firmly stick your backup camera on any flat metal surface. Rechargeable portable camera. Powered by a built-in battery and connected via Wi-Fi. Powered by a built-in battery and connected via built-in Wi-Fi, the portable hitch backup camera is effortless to install with no wiring required. Enhanced infrared night vision. With high-sensitivity CMOS image sensor and 9 automatic infrared night vision lights, EWAY magnetic wireless camera displays a sharper image in the night up to 30 feet. Rated IP68, can fully protected against dust and can withstand being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters, 5 feet, for 30 minutes. Safe and patented RV trailer camera. U.S. patent number 10,894,515. Stable Wi-Fi signal. This Wi-Fi car camera works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, recommend to use at vehicles under 35 feet, perfect for truck, camper, RV, trailers, fifth wheels, travel trailers, fifth wheels ECT easily attached to SUV, pickup truck, travel trailer, horse trailer, RV camper, semi-truck, tractor or farm equipment, for monitoring or vehicle reversing. Real-time image. Wi-Fi magnetic hitch camera controls with easy setup to your on iPhone and Android phones or tablets via RV Camera app. The wireless camera for car is effortlessly installed without the hassle of running wires. Note: not compatible with Google Pixel phone, Kyocera phone, Motorola phone. In our list, the number 2 product name is AUTO-VOX wireless backup camera. Crystal HD image and super night vision. With PC1058 sensor, wireless backup camera for car provides vivid and stable images. The backup camera for car with a 0.1 lumen rating presents super night vision. restoring what you see behind your car directly. Wireless design for easy installation. You only need to operate 2 steps to quickly install. Power the backup camera monitor with the included cigarette lighter. Connect the wireless backup camera to reverse lamp for parking. Stable digital signal. The wireless backup camera for trucks with 2.4G wireless technology delivers stable image to avoid any interference under 33-foot vehicle. Backup camera systems for truck is ideal for mid-size vehicles such as vans, SUVs, trucks, and trailers. Parking safely with DIY guidelines. The backup camera for car with DIY parking line efficiently fit your vehicle into even the tightest parking spots. You can move it left, right, up or down to fit your real condition and turn it off if you prefer. Waterproof backup camera. Backup camera systems for car with IP68 waterproof standard to withstand rainy, cloudy, foggy weather, and will never fog up or cause the rear camera to be blurry and white screen. Multifunction rear view camera. Wireless backup camera with flip image between mirror, rear view, and facing, front view. This backup camera makes 110 degrees golden angle for parking. Outstanding customer help. AUTO-VOX offers the best customer service and tech support, as well as a 18-month replacement service for every backup camera wireless. If you have any questions or concerns, you can access after-sales support. In our list, the number 1 product name is AMTIFO RV Backup Camera. NO installation. RV backup camera with magnet shockproof, no drilling and wiring required, can be easily placed on any vehicle and moved between vehicles. Comes with 2 iron brackets for vehicles with non-metallic surfaces. Long wireless transmission range. The wireless backup camera uses a unique dual antenna design and chip for a more stable signal, reaching up to 825 feet in open areas and up to 50 feet on vehicles. Compatible with all vehicle. This trailer backup camera is tailored for large vehicles such as RVs, trailers, campers, trucks, fifth wheels, boats, tractors, rig, vans, and more. Long-lasting. The solar wireless backup camera comes with a built-in 15,000 mAh battery and includes 3W solar panel, so cameras doesn't need to wired to lights and pre-wired. It can be easily placed on Furion and Voyager RV series. Built-in recording function. The magnetic wireless backup camera system has a recording function that doubles as a dash cam. The large 7-inch screen with touch buttons makes it easy to use, and the IP69K waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in all weather conditions. HD 1080p image and night vision. The RV camera has high-resolution HD 1080p image with IR light night vision function, which can be used at night or in low-light environment. In addition, the display is IPS screen with sunshade cover to reduce glare interference. Dual camera wide angle. 170 degrees camera wide angle, wide field of view, with 2 RV rear view cameras can cover more blind spots. It can be adjusted up and down 90 degrees to get the best angle. Other more feature support: switch the front view and rear view, and turn on or off the guidelines, which is very convenient. The picture is clear with adjustments for brightness, contrast, color, etc. Monitor power supply. Equipped with cigarette lighter switch and USB power cable to meet the needs of different vehicles. If you need to hardwired instead of using cigarette lighter or USB cable, you can contact us to get the power cable. Show less.